Welcome back. In this one, I'm going to show you guys from start to finish how you make a website. I might turn this into a playlist or I might do one single video, but let's jump in. So when people ask me, how do you make a website? I simply tell them I use WordPress, right? Now, you might not know what WordPress is now. It's a very, very simple user interface which you drag and drop things around on a web page to actually make another website. But before we get to that, the very first thing you need to do when you want to make a website is think of a name, right? Straight away, I can think of IGN.com, right? Straight away, I can think of Disney Plus, I believe it's called. Disney Plus website, they have their own website. I can think of Amazon. I can think of eBay. I can think of all these other websites. They have a name, they have a domain name. And that's the first thing you're going to want to think about. So, depends on the type of company you're doing. Now, this is called Run's Tech Hub, and I'm actually making a website for the channel as we speak. I'm going to be putting some resources on there as well. But this is my website. This is the domain I have. It's called runstechhub.com. That's the name of the domain. So let's say you're an electrician, a plumber, a teacher, whatever you are. You could think of a name that is somewhat related to what you're trying to do. I have a friend who recently did one for properties. So you could call yours Runs Properties, for example, Runs Plumbing, whatever you want. Think of your name first. That's the very first thing you have to do. Use Google search to maybe come up with a few innovative, a few really nice, quirky, funny names, whatever you want. Ideally, you want it to be sounding somewhat professional, right? I actually wanted to call my website, which I want to do later on, my another business I want to have called kingboss.com. My friends told me that doesn't really sound like a really good name, but you know what? I love the name, so I might just use it anyway. So you do think of your name, and after you thought of your name, the name of your website, the name of your business, the next thing you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and buy that name from one of these big companies.